Crafting with Kos. I'm Kos, and today I'm going to show you how to do Dollar Tree toolboxes two ways. One way I'm going to show you is doing the toolbox and adding a camouflage print to the box, which can be cool or fun for guys or for women. The second way that I'm going to show you to do the toolbox is to do it as a designed makeup caboodle case. So basically, this project is very inexpensive when it comes to purchasing the toolboxes from the Dollar Tree, as well as some additional items that I purchased from Michael's this time and not Hobby Lobby. But this project, pretty simple. It's going to be another spray paint project. We're going to take it outside, but for this project you will need Krylon spray paint, and I actually got they're called the shortcuts, because I wanted to get a lot of different colors or a few different colors, and I just get a large tall one because that would have cost like $8 or $10 for a big one. So I just got the little shorties, and I got 5 different Krylon shortcut spray paints, and I actually had one left over from one of the previous projects that I did, which I will link down below, which I think I've mentioned a few times, which is the DIY lip smackers video. And that particular color, I used this chrome silver color, as well as, like I said before, I got 5 additional colors. I got, I got espresso, glow orange, what is this, flat black, and we got leaf green, as well as this iris color. So I have 6 different color shortcut spray paints to choose from, as well as for this project you will need some painter's tape or any type of tape to kind of cover over certain areas so those don't get sprayed, as well as from the Dollar Tree I picked up 2 toolbox cases. They only had one size at the Dollar Tree, but you can definitely test this out with the Dollar Tree toolboxes, and if you like the effect or if you like the look, you can always upgrade to a bigger, more premium toolbox that will last longer and be a little bit more durable. And then lastly, for this project you will need, I got a hardware storage case, and you can use this for the camouflage toolbox that I'm going to do, as well as I'm going to show you how to repurpose it and use it for the makeup caboodle toolbox case as well. But I'm kind of excited about this project because I cannot wait to see how it's going to turn out. I'm going to kind of get fun with the patterns, and I'm just going to tape up the yellow handle as well as the yellow clasp, because I want to keep that different than the rest of the body of the toolbox. So this should be a pretty cool project. We're going to go ahead and take it outside for the first half of the spray painting process. So let's go ahead and let's get right started.